become a vendor in a government cooperative purchase with a SAM registration. Oh hey, hello world, my name is Data Mining Mike, and this video is going to give you a roadmap to get you registered for state and federal government vendors. You will have a chance at getting a government contract through a cooperative purchase. I am highly confident at the end of this period of instruction, you're going to be able to take what you've learned and apply it to your ability to get state contract bids. And that's called value. And because of that, you should like this video. Remember that sharing is caring. Please leave comments because they improve ranking and add prominence. Subscribing is what winners do, but smashing the bell is what informed people do. This channel generates informed people. But first, AI News. Neuralink, another controversial company founded by Elon Musk, has implanted its first chip into the human brain of a spinal injury patient. The hope is to get the patient to use their brain to control technology. Back to it. First thing I want you to do is this. Identify the cooperative purchasing program. Determine which cooperative purchasing programs you're interested in. Examples include GSA or General Services Administration, schedule contracts, state or local cooperative purchasing programs, and various agency-specific programs. Think about it. What industry are you in? What products or services do you have to offer? And target those specific government agencies. For additional help to identify which state agencies you should apply for, check out this video here. The next thing you're going to need to do is register as a vendor. If the cooperative purchasing program is managed by a specific agency or organization, you may need to register with them. This could involve creating an account on their vendor registration portal. The next thing is obtain necessary certifications. Depending on the program or the nature of your business, you may need to obtain certain certifications. For example, if you're a veteran-owned business, you may need to be certified as the service-disabled veteran-owned small business. Check out the specific requirements for the program that you're interested. If you are a disabled veteran, then by law, the government must select your contract in similar manner of veterans having preference for federal employment. Thank you for your service. Importantly for federal contracts is a SAM registration. In the System for Award Management portal, or SAM, you can obtain a unique equity ID, which is a 12-digit identifier for businesses by registering. This is required for federal government contracts. On sam.gov, there's also grants for research opportunities for data scientists like me. Depending on the program, you may need to submit various documents such as financial statements, capability statements, and information about the products or services, meeting certain performance standards and providing reports, and also adhering to their pricing agreements. As a vendor, you can increase your likelihood of winning a government contract by networking and building relationships. Attend industry events, engage with procurement officers, build relationships within the government procurement community. Networking can lead to valuable insights and opportunities. How do you begin to network with government procurement officers? Go to LinkedIn and type in government procurement officers, and then type in the specific industry or government agency that you are trying to target. I am now highly confident you are outfitted with the information necessary to get your foot in the door, Government Contract Casino. And because of that, you should like this video. And if you are a tech startup, watch this video up here. That video is really going to increase your probability of winning a government contract. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Once again, I'm Data Mining Mike. You're out there in the clouds, so high, a bunch of data on you and I. So inside, nobody knows what to do. There's a guy who's on your team. Takes your data and makes it clean. Feeds it to the machines for me and you. I'm talking. Hey, data. This here's big data. The data that you need. In this video you should like and get the data that you want. With data mining Mike, get you as we go on a data mine. Smash the bell.